Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a music geek, then you are in the place. Today, I am diving into a detailed review of the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE. Let's get started. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this buds from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. The Samsung Galaxy Buds FE are a fantastic choice for those looking for affordable, feature-packed earbuds. They're small, lightweight, and come with a tiny charging case. The design of the Galaxy Buds FE is fairly simple, but they come with winged ear tips for added support. They also have an IPX2 rating, which means they can handle a bit of rain. When it comes to sound quality, the Galaxy Buds FE deliver clear highs, mids, and lows. The bass might not be as deep as some other earbuds, but it's still very satisfying. These earbuds pack in some impressive features. They have good passive noise cancellation and even an ambient sound amplification feature. However, they do lack wireless charging. The battery life of the Galaxy Buds FE is decent, offering up to 8.5 hours of music playback. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE offer excellent sound quality and features at a competitive price of $99.99 They're a great choice for anyone looking for quality earbuds on a budget. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, stay tuned and goodbye.